moon and you take the sun.
You take everything that seems like fun. You stand up and then you done. So come on in, feel free to do some looking. Stay a while, cause something goes cooking. Come on in, feel free to do some looking. Stay a while, cause something goes cooking. Yeah!
Hi guys! So today we are going to mall.
So let's get to the mall.
Yoo! Okay, we are already in the car. Watch our journey, guys. Let's go.
In the middle of the trip, Febri, Bintang, and Dania were busy chatting. But not long after that, Dania was busy playing with her cell phone, even though they were still busy chatting. And not long after that.
Why do I feel dizzy and nauseous? Oh my god, really? Yeah.
What's wrong with you, Dania?
I don't know. My body not kencana.
A few moments later.
Okay, I stopped first to buy medicine, right? Okay.
Dania,
Yes?
let's eat well in the car. Don't play Hercule phone.
Why?
Okay? Do you know why?
Yes.
Let's see on the Google.
Okay.
To the brain, unable to process movement, signals sent by the eyes, ear, and the body when. Okay?
Okay.
So don't play phone in the car. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Well, this is your medicine. Take it now. Okay, thank you. This your drink. Okay, thank